How to draft a fantasy team on ESPN Fantasy. Firstly, install the application through your App Store or Play Store and open it on your device. Make sure that you log in or sign up to your account. Once in the app, join or create a league. If you haven't done that, then at the top panel, you will see the option Create or Join League. Click on that option to create your own or join an existing one. Once it's created, you will see your team right here. Once your league is created, you can practice your draft or schedule your draft. To schedule your draft, you will need to select your draft type. It could be snake, salary cap, auto pick, or offline. Then select your draft date and time and then schedule it. If you want to practice your draft, you can click on that and select your draft position. While creating your draft, you will need to select these things. Go to the creating section and select create a league. At the top, you can put the name of your league and also the league size, which is simply the team members. It can go from 1 to 20. Then select your scoring type and click on create league to create your league. Once the league is created, you can invite your friends. That's all for today. Thank you.